Mr. Shott instant running water is a perfect replacement for large size storage geysers which provide running hot water directly from the tap without the hassle. Just put in the water tap and enjoy continuous flow of hot water within 10 seconds. Only 1 unit power consumption for 60 to 70 liter. Very attractive design and does not require any additional plumbing. Can be used in bathroom, kitchen, wash area, hotels, hospital, etc. Inlet and outlet is thread model. Specifications, as I earlier said, 220 240 volt AC, 50 Hz, 3 kilowatt heating element, coated direct immersion type, 600 rpm. Okay, the calcium and magnesium dissolved in water are the two most common minerals that make water hard, so safe up to 600 rpm. Gross weight. Available colors. Okay, there are 9 available colors. Features will be instant safety, compact, portable, long last, easy installation and less power consumption. Why to choose Mr. Shott? Advanced technical solutions, environment friendly, approved manufacturer, ISI quality certification, market leading prices. Here we have two types, auto reset and the manual reset. In the manual reset we have a switch, 15 amp plug point and water line from the tap. Non-stop supply of instant hot water is available. There is a manual reset feature available in this model which enables to switch on that which was cut off automatically as mentioned above. When the manual reset button is pressed, the heater starts. And the contact info address will be given and the mobile number and the email address. Hello, here we have two types of geysers. One is automatic and another one is manual. Okay, here you can see that this one is an automatic geyser. Okay, we don't have a switch here. See here, you can check the switch. inlet, you have to connect the inlet pipe to the tap. Open the tap. The main thing is, first you have to open the tap water. Okay, when the tap water falls through this nozzle, then only you have to switch on the main switch. Okay, now the water is dropping from that nozzle. Switch on the geyser only after you opening the tap. Okay, you can check here. Switch on the geyser after water comes out. Okay, like this, the same thing, you have to switch off the geyser before you stop the or closing the tap. Switch on the geyser after water comes out. Switch off the geyser before closing the tap. That is the main warning. Just with the 15 AMP plug point and a water line from the tap, non-stop supply of instant hot water is available from 10 seconds onwards. Automatic cutoff feature is available when water temperature is over 60 to 70 degrees Celsius or when there is no inflow of water. There is a manual reset feature available in this model which enables to switch on that which was cut off automatically. When the manual reset button is pressed, the heater starts to function as usual. This is really a good product. Here in this user guide manual, you will see a QR code. When you scan that QR code using an application scanner, okay, you scan that one. Okay, you will get the details like phone number, website address, and their company or office address. The name will be Instant Running Water Geyser, company SV Associates, like that. Okay, this one is their box. Okay, product box. When here they are given a QR code, scan me for more details. You scan that one using an app. Okay, it will direct it to a YouTube link. That YouTube link, when you go to click on go to website, it will directly link to the YouTube.
நம்ம குடிக்கிற காஃபி இன்ஸ்டன்ட்டா இருக்கு.